Hello everyone and welcome back again to IB Master. Today we are beginning a new series called Essential. Essential essentially will be specialized in revising all the old data from the earlier grades until now. I got a lot of requests to do something like that, so we decided to put it in our new series called Essential. Today we are beginning to revise the old data from geometry. So we will begin with the data about finding the distance over the x and y plan. So, for example, if we have x and y plan like this, and we have 2 points, point 1 with x1, y1 coordinates, point 2 with x2, y2 coordinates, and we need distance d, which is between both of them. So the formula d will be the square root of delta x plus delta y. So d will be x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. And of course, distance will be unit or distance unit. Okay. Second things, we will revise it. And of course, we could use it in algebra, geometry, especially the question to find x, but when they mix about the area and the parameters and the volumes. So, if we talk about rectangle or square, and by the way, square is a special case of the rectangle, but all the side is the same. So, if the base here is B and here is H, so for the rectangular, area will equal B times H. And perimeter is the sum of all the sides, so it will be 2b plus 2h. For the square, area will be, if the side is a, and of course all the sides will be a square. Perimeter will be 4a. So now we will go to another shape, one of the famous shapes, which is the triangle. Triangle like this. Don't forget that the height of any triangle must be perpendicular or 90 degree on the base. So area is equal half base times height, or as maybe in primary you learn it like this, base times height over 2. And of course perimeter will be to add all the side lengths together. Okay, circle. If we have a circle like this, and we have the center, and we have the radius, so area is equal pi r square, and pi is equal 3.14. Perimeter is equal 2 pi r, and by the way, it's also equal pi d, whereas d is the diameter, because diameter is equal double the radius. Okay? So, if also they ask us about the equation of circle. Okay, so if coordinate of center O is H and K, so we could say that x minus h all square plus y minus k all square is r square. I believe it is similar to what distance on xy plan. Okay, also if we have ellipse, you know the ellipse is having two radius. Ellipse is like this, having A radius, B radius, whereas A is the major semi-axis and B is minor semi-axis. So the area of ellipse is equal pi AB. Remember that area of circle is pi r square, or pi r times r, whereas the radius is the same, but here is pi A and B. So it's the same, almost the same, but because ellipse has totally two different axes, or let's call it radius, that's why it is pi AB. And also same like circle, if we ask about the equation of the ellipse, if center O has coordinate 0 and 0, so we could say that x square over a square, the major axis, plus y square over b square is equal 1. Okay, so we will go now to another shape, and one of the famous shape, which is parallelogram. Parallelogram has base B, and again the height, which is perpendicular, is h, so the area is equal BH, or base times height, or also they could be base times altitude. Okay, another shape, trapezoid. Trapezoid has top side A, base B, height h, so area will be the average of A plus B, so A plus B over 2 times h, or height times average of the base. Okay, so now we could begin again to see this video, to revise these formulas, and be ready for any question related to it. And next episode from Essential will be about the volume. I hope that you already enjoy this episode. Please, if you are not subscribed, press subscribe and like the video. Plus, you could turn on the reminder for any new video to be announced. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.